Hello, I found my fisheye lens, so now we can get a good look at some of the transmission work that I've been doing. We'll just go right up inside the skirt here to the underside of the cockpit. Here's the panel and our transmission stick. We've got the cables running right here, running all the way down to the snowblower's transmission stick. And I gave them some nice lubrication. This just generic cable lubricator stuff for snowmobiles, and this little doohickey that you slide right onto the wire, in between the wire and the sheath, and then you squirt this stuff in there with this little itty bitty straw. And now it works relatively smoothly. You can see, note the position that the transmission is in. The stick is to frame left, mech right. And now, push the stick forward. We can see that the transmission on the snowblower has moved frame right or mech left. I'm moving the stick right now. It's a little harder than it will be in the final piloting it because, well, I'm grabbing the stick further towards the base, and the further towards the base you have a lever, the harder it is to pull. So with the end of the lever way up there, it'll probably be a lot easier to pull than how it currently is. The tension might need some fine tuning, so I'm going to do a system sort of like I did for this cable right here. Just have a stick of PVC, then I can just drill holes up and down it depending on what sort of tension I need. And the next thing I'm going to do is 3D print some sort of like little ridges to put onto this bar right here. That way this rope to the sort of clutch pedal / transmission engage pedal right here doesn't slide off, because with just this rope on here you can see that it can slide right off, and that would be a pain in the butt. So I'm going to 3D print some bits for that, but technically it's nearly ready for test run. I mean, all I gotta do is I still gotta work on the extra casters to put under here, and you know, that's gonna be a big pain in the butt, you know, because I'm gonna have to get a jack. It's around here somewhere. Yep, there it is. Get that jack, jack up each leg pylon, and then put the casters on underneath, and hope that it doesn't break off immediately, or relatively anytime soon. But we'll keep our fingers crossed for that. And then we can test out the steering linear actuator. You remember that from a few months ago, right in there. And then we can do a test run. And after the test run, you know, pretty it up a little bit, cover it up with some black plastic and stuff, and hey, we'll see where we can go from there. But that is all for today, so be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.